An estimated 110 million years is how long sea turtles have existed on Earth, which means they once shared the planet with the Tyrannosaurus rex and other dinosaurs. Turtles can hold their breath for 5 hours underwater. They slow their heart rate to up to 9 minutes in between heartbeats in order to conserve oxygen. They think jellyfish are delicious. Unfortunately, plastic looks like jellyfish when it's floating in the water, hence the untimely causes of turtle deaths. Green sea turtles have a more plant-based diet and eat seagrass. Green turtles also cannot retract in their shells like other turtles. While having no predators in the sea, they are highly vulnerable when nesting and hatching. Temperature dictates the sex of baby turtles. Warmer nests lead to more females, and cooler ones lead to more males. They live for about 100 years. They lay approximately 100 eggs every time they nest. Turtles have an excellent sense of direction. Sea turtles can detect the Earth's magnetic field, and they use it as a compass. All tortoises are actually turtles. In the 1980s, India released 25,000 flesh-eating turtles into the Ganges River in an attempt to clean up corpse pollution. Apparently, the turtles were raised on dead fish so they wouldn't develop a taste for the living. In the Amazon, butterflies will drink the tears of turtles to provide necessary sodium in their diet. Once in Kenya, a turtle adopted a hippo that was abandoned after a tsunami. There is a giant soft-shell turtle that spends 95% of its life buried and motionless under river sand, surfacing just twice a day to take a breath. In Jurassic Park, the velociraptor sounds are actually turtles having sex. Pet turtles in the US must be at least 4 inches long so children can't fit them in their mouths. Snapping turtles evolved to have the snapping defense because they are too big to hide inside their shells like other turtles. In 1930, a man and his 150-year-old pet turtle went over Niagara Falls in a barrel. The man suffocated after being stuck under the falls for 18 hours. Only the turtle survived the entire ordeal. A 100-year-old turtle's organs are indistinguishable from those of an adolescent turtle. Now that's healthy living. A design of turtle shells is much like that of insect wings. A line of hexagons bounded by pentagons leading to straight edges. Turtles start out as mostly carnivorous and eventually become omnivores. Turtles do not wear a shell. The shell is part of their spine. Turtles have 3 ears, one on either side of the head and a third on the nose. Turtles are more closely related to birds than they are to lizards and snakes. Male painted turtles use their long front claws to tickle females on the neck during mating season. If the female let him tickle her, they're mates. People in China carry around live turtles as keyrings. The turtles are in sealed containers with water and keyrings attached. Some species of turtles can climb trees. Turtles can hibernate underwater for months during winter, breathing through their tails. Turtles manned the first successful circumlunar mission by the USSR. The oldest fossilised specimen of vertebrate animals copulating comes from two turtles having sex in a poisonous lake. And turtles vary in size, from the huge 8-foot leatherback turtle to the tiny 3-inch long bog turtle. Turtles do not have teeth. They do, however, have very sharp beaks. A turtle can live for 30 years or more, and some are thought to live as long as 100 years. Giant tortoises are the longest lived of all vertebrates, averaging over 100 years. The oldest on record lived to be 152. Turtles live on every continent except Antarctica, in deserts, forests, mountains, rivers and oceans. A turtle's upper shell is called a carapace, the lower shell called a plastron. There are about 220 species of turtles and tortoises. Turtles primarily live in water and have webbed front feet or flipper-like fins to make swimming easier. Turtles eat both plants and insects, whereas tortoises eat only plants, leaves and other vegetation. And remember, May 23 is World Turtle Day.